You go, there you go, flying. There you go. Absolutely. We brought him for a fireworks.
That does not look like a fucking plane. And it just went, look, oh, I was going to say, oh, it's just missing through the thing.
It gets warm when it's full.
Where's David?
That is not a plane. Seriously, that's not a plane. That is a plane. Look, that is a plane. You see the three little things.
That is not a plane.
That is not a plane. Dude, seriously, that is not a plane. Maybe. We're recording it just in case.
I'm going to take us home. Right here. Right at it. I tried. It didn't work. Too much smoke. Sorry. Way too much smoke.
You know what's fucked up is? There's been like numerous UFO sightings around in the last couple of days. Just in across the country. There was like, there was like something like 100 of them over El Paso, Texas the other day.
It's like burning, but it didn't go out.
Where'd it go? Dude, yeah, that thing's just getting further away. I can't see it on video anymore.